uncle's son found dead in a Manhattan apartment. Good evening, I'm Diana Williams.
Uh-oh, what happened? Oh no. Jamie, what happened? What's that? A bird? Where'd the bird go? Whoa. Whoa. What you doing? Jamiekins. Jamie. What happened? Where'd Jamie go? I don't know. Where's Jameson? Oh no. Ha ha. Where'd Jamie go? Where'd he go? I don't know. Jamie. Ha. Where'd he go? Jameson. Jeffy, where'd Jamie go? Jameson. Jameson. Where are you? Jameson. Jameson. Where are you? Oh, you silly. Where are you?
Head.
What, head?
It's okay.
Head's okay? Head's okay? You got a boo-boo? Is your hiney okay? Is your hiney okay? Hiney K? What? Whoa. Is your hiney okay? Where's your hiney? Is your hiney okay? Happened? What happened? Oh, no, 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 no. No, dang.